Hello students, today we are taking up last part of this topic, that is how management is a profession. As always, first we'll try to understand what is profession. The profession can be described as an occupation upheld by specific education and practice in which entry is limited. Students, when we talk about profession, it has some features. And what are those features? Number first, well defined body of knowledge. The second one is restricted entry. Third one is professional association. Fourth, ethical code of conduct. Last one is service motive. Now let's one by one try to understand these features. First is well defined body of knowledge. When it comes to profession, it is well defined body of knowledge, right? When we are doing chartered accountancy course, for example, CA is a profession. You acquire a certain kind of knowledge. In a doctor, he is a professional. He would acquire the certain amount of systematic knowledge, and hence we say it is a well defined body of knowledge. Next is there is a restricted entry. Can anyone become a chartered accountant? No. We have to study for it, and then after clearing the exam the institute will give you degree. Even for doctors to take the entry, you require certain marks. After that, you are giving the exams and clearing the exams, you would become a doctor, and hence it is a restricted entry in the profession. Third is there is always a professional association. You would have seen, like for example, CAs would have a member with ICAI, doctors would have a membership with medical association, likewise lawyers would have a membership with a bar council. As a member, we are associated with that professional association. We have to have a personal association with the institution from which we are getting the degree. Here students, as a professional, we have to follow the ethical code of conduct. The moment I become a CA and I become a member of institute, there are certain code of conduct which needs to be followed. If I fail to do so, then I am being penalized for the same, and chances are that particular degree is removed from my name. Okay? Now, as a professional, my motive is to provide a service. When it comes to doctor, when it comes to CAs, they always have a motive of providing services to the society at large. Now remember, management does not meet the exact criteria of professional, but still management is considered as a profession. Now we don't have ethical code of conduct of professional association, but still it is considered as a profession. Let us see how. Management is a profession as it has marked growth in management as a discipline. We have seen over the years what had happened, that growth in management has been tremendous. There has been too much of research on this subject. There has been many principles which have been founded out, and hence there has been marked growth in management as a discipline. There is a systematized body of knowledge because well defined principles has been established on variety of business situations. For example, when you do a MBA, you can learn these principles in detail. And hence, nowadays, we acquire such knowledge through universities and colleges. One can do a BBA or a MBA. There is no restriction on anyone being designated or appointed as manager in a business enterprise. So, unlike a profession, whether where the entry is restricted and that designation is given only after clearing the exam, in an organization, anyone can be a manager. But what happened nowadays that there are lot many organizations who prefer hiring people who have acquired the specialized knowledge of management, and hence it has an association for practicing managers also. We have this AIMA, that is All India Management Association, which has laid down a code of conduct and it regulates the members. So now again, because of AIMA and similar kind of association, we are having an approach which is as good as being a professional. We also provide service, that is manager provides service for helping the organization to achieve the stated goals. So on these parameters, we can say that management is a profession. Hope students by now you had a clear idea of this topic. Do keep on revising the topics. Thank you.